Hey there guys, and welcome to the next lesson. This time we're going to be looking for our color palette. We're going to stick to Pinterest because it's quite a comfortable search engine to use for this. I looked for something simple like color palette so that it would generate some images where we can see that most color palettes are made from other images. I normally use this page to make my own palettes, but I also use other pages like Coolers. You can see that it gives us a number, normally no more than 5 to 6, nice warm colors that harmonize well. Most cases, 2 colors are enough, and the rest are either neutral or give like a range that has changed within its own tone. This is a page I want to show you. Colors. It's a palette generator that creates them automatically. We hit start and let's begin. There's a screen that shows up with 5 colors. We have each color's code and under the names that the page is given to them. We can either block the palette, or we can change the luminosity or the contrast or the tone. We also have the option to move the palette and place it wherever we need. This button here allows us to see the luminosity spectrum. If we hit the spacebar, the palette's colors will change. We can hit it as many times as we want. As I've said before, if you want to keep a color, just block it. If we unblock it, it'll disappear. We can export it to different formats, depending on what we need it for. The most comfortable option is to export it to SVG. We also have the option to upload an image for our own gallery, like in Pinterest, and generate a palette in reference to it. We can change the colors randomly by hitting this button here. But we can also decide ourselves by moving the controls on the image to choose our own palette. It's actually a very comfortable function if we want to work with a reference or inspiration. Alright, that's it for this lesson. The next lesson, we'll start working on our styles and we'll work on the flat style. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson and you feel inspired by these pages, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys. See you later.